Meaning of Franciscan.
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 Franciscan. The term Franciscan refers to a member of the religious order founded by Saint Francis of Assisi in the 13th century. The Franciscan order, officially known as the Order of Friars Minor, is based on the saint's teachings of simplicity, poverty, and humility. The Franciscans have a long history of missionary work and service to the poor, and many of its members also engage in academic pursuits. Today, the order has branches all over the world and continues to serve the Catholic Church through works of charity, education, and evangelization.